So we are back to our spoken English class, and here I've got my two favorite students. One is Ranjit and Indrajit. Both are Jeet at the end. Okay, they're very loving actually. See how handsome they are. Okay, handsome young graduates. Okay, so everybody has dream. So everybody has dreams. Even the person who is just watching, you might also have some dreams, right? So this is the place where we just make our dreams come true. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. So, their purpose. See, the purpose of being here with me is to develop their extraordinary communication skill in English. So, let me know exactly how they're feeling attending my classes. They have traveled many places before coming to my class, and what they're feeling and how they're changing. So, let me know exactly from their own opinions or from their own words. Okay, so Ranjit, tell me about your feelings and experience after coming to my class and how you are feeling about your improvement as you have attended only 12 or 13 classes, right?
Yes.
Okay, so first of all, you introduce yourself and then tell me how are you watching your transformation. We don't believe in education, we believe in transformation. Okay, so.
Good evening. My name is Ranjit Mandal and I am from Bagragod, Subhashpulli,
And what is your academic qualification actually?
and I am graduate from Suryashan Mahavidyalaya under North Bengal University.
Okay, from which stream actually? Science, arts,
Actually,
or
I am a
commerce?
BA General.
Okay, be general, fine. So, why did you come here actually?
Actually, I come here because my English is very weak, and that's why I improve myself and
Okay.
also English. That's why I come here.
Okay. So, how are you feeling about your improvement? And how many days you have attended? Means how many classes you have attended here from me?
Here, first of all, I forget fear.
Okay.
I forget fear. I speak I trying to speak, and after attending 14 and 15 classes, I feel very good and
Confident.
I'm sure I will attending 3 months. I will speak more fluently.
Okay, that's great. And that's my promise. Don't need to worry for that because I just gave you the promise. Okay. I just told them that within 3 months I'll just make them exactly what I am. Okay. Not exactly the same because everybody is different, everybody is unique, and the God of, everybody is the gift of God. So God has given some qualities which I'm missing, and God has given me some qualities which they're missing. So we are not copying each other, right?
Yes.
But we're just trying to boost up our highest potential that God has given us. Yes. So everybody will be unique in their own ways. No one is going to copy no one. Okay. And I promise them that I'm going to build up their communication skill in an excellent way just after attending my 3 months classes. And it has been only 12 classes, right? 12 classes that they have attended, and now they are feeling very positive, highly motivated, and highly confident, and they have already lost their fears from mind. That is the most important thing, like?
Yes, sir.
Yes, absolutely right. So, so you're feeling that transformation. You're
Yes.
feeling that you're changing, right? So, how was your condition previously in English? How was your condition?
Actually, my previous experience is very bad because I went another coaching center where they teach proverbs, phrasal verbs,
Different type of grammar sections, actually.
different types of
Unwanted.
grammar session, and I am very unhappy with them.
Okay, with
That's
their
why,
techniques.
with them techniques. That's why I left that coaching center and joined.
Yes, because you had to learn the language, right?
Yes.
You didn't have to learn the grammar section. The ultimate thing is that if you just want to improve their communication skill, grammar is not so much helpful because grammar makes us think English and practice makes us speak English. And this is exactly what I create in this place, right?
Yes.
I just simply create that English environment and I involve them directly for their own experience. And they're directly learning how to speak in English. Okay. And by the way, let's move on to my another dear student, handsome boy. Okay. He's Indrajit. He's the god of heaven. Okay. Indra, God is Indra. We know it very well. So, देखते हैं कि इंद्रो क्या सोच रहे हैं. एक्चुअली हिज फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज इज हिंदी. ओके, और मुझे भी हिंदी बोलना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. ओके, सो ठीक है, पहले उसका इंद्रजीत का फीडबैक सुनते हैं, उसका इंट्रोडक्शन और फीडबैक. वो पहले कैसा सोच रहा था इंग्लिश के बारे में और इंग्लिश कितना डिफिकल्ट है, ऐसा कुछ. ठीक है, उसका जो थिंकिंग, लेट्स गेट फैमिलियर विद द पर्सनल ओपिनियंस ऑफ इंद्रजीत. ओके, तो इंद्रजीत से सुनते हैं कि इंग्लिश कैसा था और अभी कैसा लग रहा है, और मेरा टेक्निक के बारे में. हाँ, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से अबाउट माय द वे आई टीच?
Hi everyone.
Watch out, this cameraman is there.
Okay sir. I am Indrajit Roy from Deshbandhu Para in Siliguri. I am graduated from University of North Bengal.
Okay, that's great. So Indrajit, did you ever try to learn English before? Except this place, other places?
No sir, because I am not interested in
English.
reading or English.
Right, okay. So you were not interested.
Yes sir.
Okay. So is it important language to learn? I mean, do you need English for your life and career?
Yes sir, I am willing to learn English
Okay.
because it is a fashion nowadays.
Okay, and you are very fashionable boy, huh? You're wearing every day. I noticed one thing. Every day he puts on new jackets, you know, and new dress codes. I have been noticing this for so long. I did not get a chance to say, but before the camera, I'm just saying today. And he's very fashionable boy, and he wants to learn English just for as a part of fashion. Can you imagine that? But it is also connected with his life and career. Okay, lifestyle. Very good. So, how do you feel about? See, this is for the first time you're learning and you're trying to improve your English, right? For the first time.
Right sir.
But you attended, I think he attended less classes. He joined later. First you
Yes.
attended, first you joined.
Three
After
classes.
two class.
After 2 classes, yes. So, how do you feel about your confidence level? You felt that English is difficult at first, right? So tell me your opinion. How was your thinking before?
I think that I never learn. I cannot never learn English.
Okay, very good.
But
Now, after-
but now come to here.
तुम्हारा जो ओपिनियन, जो पर्सनल ओपिनियन, हिंदी में ही बोलो, कोई बात नहीं, क्योंकि यू नेवर ट्राइड, जिंदगी में कभी इंग्लिश बोलने का कोशिश ही नहीं किया, और तुम जो सीखोगे वो भी तुम्हारे दिमाग में नहीं था. सो हाउ आर यू चेंजिंग योर सेल्फ? अभी कैसा लग रहा है, मेरे पास आके कैसा लग रहा है वो बोलो. पहले इंग्लिश को कैसे सोचते थे, अभी कैसे सोच रहे हो? जस्ट बोलो, वो बोलो.
मैं हर सब्जेक्ट में एक वीक स्टूडेंट हूँ, और मैं कभी ये सोचा भी नहीं था कि मैं इंग्लिश सीख पाऊँगा, और इसलिए मैंने इसके लिए कहीं पे
ज्वाइन भी नहीं किया.
हाँ, ज्वाइन भी नहीं किया. पर यहाँ आने के बाद मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरी उम्मीद जागृत हो सकती है. मैं इंग्लिश बहुत जल्दी सीख सकता हूँ, क्योंकि वो दुर्लभ सर का जो पढ़ाने का तरीका है, एक दोस्त की तरह पढ़ाते हैं, भाई की तरह पढ़ाते हैं. और सबसे बड़ी बात
और इसी
कि-
तरह चैलेंजिंग वीडियोस भी बनाता हूँ, ताकि उसका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल जो है एकदम नीचे से ऊपर चले आए. और कुछ?
बस यही सब कहना, और क्या.
वाओ.
पर अब लग रहा है कि मैं सीख पाऊँगा, उम्मीद थोड़ा है.
Yes, definitely. And you already started talking in English at the beginning, right?
Yes.
Though, see, already he declared that he doesn't know English well, but still at the beginning he started everything in English. So after attending my 10 or 12 classes, he's just performing like this way. Now think about, after attending my 2 months classes, what will be his condition. For example, like Ranjit, he also thought that maybe English is a very difficult. He became so frustrated. He already visited other places, and there he got only disappointments. Okay, he was not satisfied with that technique, because the trainer or the institute provided a lot of grammar section, right?
Yes. They were always says that you can watch Hollywood movies.
Oh my God. Okay.
Hollywood movies.
And the
I
mirror
don't-
practice.
I don't
And the mirror
understand
practice is the worst technique of learning this language. I never recommend my students to practice before the mirror, because mirror is not going to find your mistake. Mirror is going to repeat your mistake. Right?
Yes.
By the way, so it was very educative environment. We are simply trying to create that English environment like Washington DC, and I'm just playing the role of Joe Biden after Donald Trump. Okay, and they are my members in my White House. Let's see what we can do together. Okay, English, this is the simplest and the easiest language in the world for those people who know it, and this is the toughest language in the world for those people who don't know it, and this is the very confusing language for for most of the people who don't know the proper way to say, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but this is very easiest language, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Now I
okay,
realize.
okay. Now you realize it. This is the easiest way. Okay, I also teach you grammar, right?
Yes, sir.
But how many grammar section? I told you that I'm going to teach you
4 grammars.
4 grammar section.
Only 4 grammars.
Yeah, we live in India.
Yes.
That's why we do not get that English environment from morning to late night. That's why I told them you cannot ignore grammar completely, but you can focus on the most important grammar, which are very, very important, like oxygen. Okay, and that is the secret. I'm not going to tell you because we're not going to reveal the secret. If you just want to know it, then you have to come here, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's just like a diamond. We are spreading diamond everywhere. Okay. By the way, I'm going to share all the things in my YouTube channel. Don't worry. You can also learn English right from where you are, but from my channel. And from this January onwards, I'm going to make a lot of free video lessons for your improvement. Till then, bye-bye. Keep watching our video. And do not forget to subscribe to get the free diamonds. Okay. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye.